Hi, good morning from day 2 of Vancouver, full day Vancouver, right? So this morning I am going to go on the most expensive spend on my holiday, which is a seaplane to a lake in the mountains beside a glacier or something like this, right? So you're all welcome to come along for the spin. I still haven't received my suitcase yet, 2 days on. So FUCK Air Canada, not the only person who they've misplaced a suitcase. Yeah, so it's I'm sure there has to be places here in Vancouver where you can buy clothes at reasonable prices, right? But like I said to you, these jeans here have to cost me $140. Had to get a belt to hold them up. It cost me $60. And what else did I buy? I bought these runners here, right? They cost me $100. So that's just $300 gone already, just trying to replace clothes. I bought socks that came to about, I don't know, $10. I have to get underwear yet, and all I'm going to get is just one more t-shirt, and that's it. I don't care. I'll wash this if I have to. Yeah, so anyway, that's it. I'm heading down now. I'm going to an Irish pub just down the street here on Granville Street to get me breakfast. So you're all welcome to come along and join me, okay? See you there, right? Well, actually, I'll show you on the way out of the hotel here, the room out of the hotel. See this, look, it says, like, say hello to sleeping like a rock star. Do not disturb. Amazing. Right, let's go, my friends, let's go. I'm nearly faster walking down the stairs. I'm up on the 6th floor here. Although I hear the lift coming up now, so I'll wait. I've been down the stairs a couple of times yesterday. Keep fit, you know. I done 10 miles of a walk yesterday, which is great. So yeah. So it's called the Ramada downtown. So there you go. Okay, if this doesn't come now, I'm going to go down the stairs. Oh, here we go. Hello, everybody. You see this lift here on the mirror, right? There's one in my town in Drogheda, right, in Scotch Hall, and I call it the sexy lift because as you press the button to go down, a woman's voice goes, "Going down." Do you get that? Hi.
What's going on?
Nah, fact is, I'm not waiting to go down the stairs here because it stops at every fucking floor of the way down. Sometimes. And I ain't waiting, my friends. So I'm too impatient. The other thing I'm noticing here in Vancouver is, alright, go, walk. Yeah, the other thing that I'm noticing here, you don't have to press a button for the pedestrians to walk at the traffic lights. They just seem to automatically come on and away, and then you know where you go then, right? So let's go for the spuds, my friends. Oh. So there's more of the drug heads across the street there with arseholes. He'll be shouting, "Look at the man there with the big camera." Dickheads. So we have dickheads over here too. You have dickheads over here too in Vancouver, my friends. Dickheads. Yeah.
You see that?
What's wrong?
Did you read everything?
No.
I found something here. They're watching Vancouver City and Police Department. These guys.
They're closing.
Undercover.
They're closing down.
No. They are undercover.
They're undercover.
Yeah, protect them.
Why?
I don't know.
Oh.
Read it. This is okay.
Yeah.
This
Wait,
one
listen,
here.
I'm sorry, I have to go because I've got the seaplane. Take care, right? Okay. See that man there just stopping? He's trying to take a picture of the Irish pub, right? And I won't take a picture for him. And he said something about maybe some of their undercover cops or something. I don't know what he's on about. Maybe that guy is spaced out in his head as well. Ah, mad stuff, my friends. Mad stuff. Granville station. I think it's from Chinatown, around there, Chinatown station, that the SkyTrain goes underground down to the waterfront. So yeah. So this is what you get in Tim Hortons here in Vancouver. Well, this is what I'm getting for my breakfast, right? I got as you can see, it's a, what do you call it, a bagel, right? And it's got an egg, lettuce, and a sliced sausage in it, and I have a hash brown and a large tea. So that came to $9. So that's good, isn't it? No, it's not my kind of breakfast, but what can you do? No wonder there's always queues at Tim Hortons, but I'll be coming here, my friends, a couple of mornings for definite. So I'm down on the ground here in Granville Station, right? So I'm about, I don't know, halfway down Granville Street towards the waterfront. So that's it. I'll see. Cheers, my friends, from Vancouver. Ah, this is the life, my friends, this is the life. And listen, you know something? I was coming down there, down Granville Street there, and there's more homeless people there, right? Oh, sorry for talking my mouth full, right? Well, anyway, whatever kind of drugs they're taking, I've never seen it in Ireland, in Dublin now, and I've seen people on Dublin, like, they're in another planet. They're like, there's one guy, and he's sitting on the street, right, and he's shaking his head back and forth. He's got his right hand in a fist, and he's doing this. Then I seen a guy coming down the street with a bicycle, right, staggering down the street with a bicycle, and he had no saddle on the bike. Mad stuff, my friends, mad stuff, I'm telling you. Well, I'm going to finish this breakfast. So it's saying here, ride and shine. Enjoy the park without the parking. When you ride transit, you can forget about gas prices or parking and just enjoy the summer. So, as I said, this is the transit system here. It's called SkyTrain, and it is absolutely fantastic. I got a card, it's called the Compass card, and you top it up, and it's cheap, and it's obviously an electric train, right? There's no overhead cables on it. It must be under the train or something, right? But it is fantastic, and it's completely driverless, and you're not waiting any more than 5 minutes, even less, for the next train to arrive. And between each station, it moves really quick. Yeah, so I'm really amazed by the transit system here. It's fantastic. So still heading down towards the harbour to get my to go on my seaplane tour. Okay, see you down there. That was a grand breakfast for $9. Not bad. So I'm inside the convention centre here, down at Canada Place here, and I'm just looking at these two poles. Well, one's a totem pole, right? And it's just saying, I think they were made in 1972, and the same guy's made 40 since then. But look at it, red cedar. It's red cedar wood. Look at this here. Look at the detail in that. Fantastic, my friends, fantastic. Wow. Look at the height of it here, from over here, look. Turn around here so you can see this. Up it goes, up it goes, up it goes. Up it goes, up it goes, up it goes, and up it goes. Super cool, super cool. Look at the size of this cruise ship here. We Love Alaska, it's called. Look. Wow, so that's a different one than yesterday. So there's 2 in now. I think here can hold 3 cruise ships. They're like big cities of their own, big hotel, like a big hotel really, a floating hotel. Ah, fantastic, fantastic, I have to say. Wow. It's party time. How's it going? Super cool, isn't it? It's called a mega bike, look. Well done. Woohoo! Hey. Woohoo! Isn't that cool, isn't it? That's brilliant! Woo! The bit sign in the back says Big Sisters of British Columbia Lower Mainland. Oh, that's deadly, isn't it? Deadly. Look at these buildings, look at them. Oh, they're just fantastic. I love them. Like there's a YouTuber, I won't mention the name, the channel, right? But he said, not knocking Vancouver, they were saying, don't come to Vancouver if you're looking for architecture, right? Well, personally speaking, I love what I call nice modern architecture, and also, you know, old architecture from, especially in Europe and where I come from. You know, we've a lot more history, a lot more buildings and stuff, right? But I just think the modern architecture here is fantastic, fantastic. I'm loving it. Look at this. Look how high that building there is. Wow. Wow. Right, day two. It's 10 o'clock here in the morning, and I have an hour to wait to get the seaplane to go on this tour across the mountains, and I'm going to land in the lake, and I think I'm going to see a couple of glaciers. But right underneath me here, look, isn't this lovely? This is the roof of this building. You have a look, it's like grass, right? And right underneath here is the cafe. I know I probably said it yesterday, and I'll probably keep saying it until I go home, but this is a fabulous city, fabulous, real eco-friendly, lovely clean fresh air, real an outdoor place. If you're into the outdoors, walking and cycling and nature, this is the place to come, my friends. I'm telling you now, if you can afford to save or get a loan like I did, you won't be disappointed. It is absolutely fabulous, fabulous. Absolutely it's just amazing because I've been into aviation since I was very little, and I never took up an occupation in aviation, but this here is absolute heaven. There's 2 seaplanes coming in. One's the Beaver and one is the Twin Otter, right? I've been on the Beaver in Australia and went on a fantastic flight in it. And I mean, what a little terminal building for seaplanes. Idyllic. Look at the backdrop here with the mountains. And Stanley Park over here. Clean, fresh air. Eco-friendly city. Fantastic.